Hey y'all, cooking, cutting up, keeping it real. I am at my Aunt Cathy's in Snow Camp, North Carolina. And Aunt Cathy is quite the gardener. We've been out in the garden. And she's quite the cook too. So today, my dad loves pickled beets and he says Aunt Cathy makes the best ones. So she's gonna teach me how to do it because mine were not all that. So Cathy, tell me what you did already with the beets. You picked them. And then what?
Okay, well, aside from growing the beets, we went out and this was really the first thinning. I didn't pull them all, just the bigger beets so the rest of them could have more room to grow, and I'll make big pickles again with the rest of them. But I pulled the beets and washed them, and as I was washing, I graded them into 3 different sizes, small, medium, and large, cook them in 3 pots so that they're done at the same time and you don't have a large beet that's not done in the middle and gets with a small one. So that's just my way of doing things so they all get done at the same time.
Right.
And now we're ready to peel the beets.
Okay.
Beets to pickle, and I've shown that before when I went to my Aunt Cathy's and she showed me how to do it. And I'm going to be putting those up as well. So if you're interested in learning how to can, putting up some of these summer vegetables to have for the winter, stay tuned. I'll be pickling and canning. Make it a great one. Okay, I'm getting ready to mix up the brine to get it to boiling for the pickled beets. I've got 3 cups of white vinegar, and it's 1 part vinegar, 2 parts sugar. So I'm going to add, I'm going to bring this up to some heat, and I'm going to add 6 cups of sugar. And that's what I'm going to use to pour over my jars to pickle these beets. The beets are cooking. It takes them a little while. I've got them on medium high. You leave the stems on these beets though. If you cut the stems off, the purple color will completely drain out of the beet. So always keep your stems on when you're cooking these beets.